Hello, and welcome to our tutorial on how to make the most of MicroAudio, the audio library for the Unity game engine. Today, I'm thrilled to share some insights while working on a simple word game. As you can see, our game is craving some exciting sound effects. Lucky for us, MicroAudio is here to save the day. I've just imported the MicroAudio package into my project, and the first thing we need to do is add a MicroAudio manager to our scene. A quick right-click in the hierarchy window, select Microlight, MicroAudio, and MicroAudio Manager. Simple as that. I would like a satisfying pop sound every time a player clicks on a balloon, but who wants the same sound over and over? With MicroAudio, creating diverse sounds is a breeze. Right-click, Create, Microlight, MicroAudio, and Sound Group. Then, drag those balloon pop sound effects into the clip field of the sound group. Now, to play these sound effects, let's head over to the balloon script. First, we need to include the MicroAudio namespace and reference the micro sound group. When the balloon is clicked, we want to play a random clip from the group. Using the Play Effect Sound method, sound will be played on the sound effects channel. And let's not forget to link the sound group to the balloon script in the editor. Alright, let's play the game and revel in our new sound effects. Our scene still feels a bit empty on the audio front. Fear not, I've got a main menu theme song ready to go. Open the script. Include the MicroAudio namespace. And reference the track. Let's start playing the main menu theme. Using the Play One Track method, pass our song track and set it to loop. Brilliant! Let's reference the clip in the editor and test the result. Awesome, but starting the game feels a bit off. The main menu theme keeps playing. Let's sort that out. We've got a micro sound group with a playlist for the game soundtrack. The script already references it, and we're using the MicroAudio namespace. We just need to start playing the music. The UI animation start seems like the perfect place for a change in the music track. Using the Play Music Group method, pass our sound group, and shuffle it. Let's test it out. Nothing's happening. Let's not dive into a manual investigation. MicroAudio's debug feature can help us. Turn on debug mode in the MicroAudio Manager and check only the messages that might help us. Run the game and check the logs. A warning message. The music track reference is null. Easy fix. Reference our soundtrack sound group and run again. Our new songs are playing randomized and all, but the track changes are a bit abrupt. No worries, Play Music Group accepts a crossfade duration parameter. This makes music tracks slowly change and overlap at the end. 1 second should do it. We don't need our debug options anymore, but we can switch to tracking what is happening during crossfade. Fantastic! Our game now has engaging sound effects and smooth music transitions. But what about volume control? MicroAudio has that covered too. We've got a mute button, and now it's time to implement our mute logic. MicroAudio namespace is already included. Load our volume settings at the start of the game. Toggle the music volume when the mute button is pressed. Now just save the volume settings, and we're done. The demo scene included in the package shows an example of using sliders for controlling the volume if you need that approach. but our game now has a mute feature. Let's test it. Amazing! Volume controls in action, and it automatically stores the volume. I hope this tutorial has been both helpful and enjoyable to follow along with. Your feedback means the world to us, so if you found MicroAudio useful, consider leaving a review on the Asset Store page. Thank you for choosing Microlight Games Tools.